Hey folks, heat advisory remains in effect for Hidalgo, Willacy, and Cameron counties until 7 o'clock this evening, as we're still experiencing heat indices of about 110 across a lot of the region. That yellow to our north is a severe thunderstorm watch. We'll get to that in a second. These are the temperatures right now, mainly 90s and low 100s, high 100s, 109 in Rio Grande City. And you add the humidity in, here's what it feels like. Feels like 111 in Harlingen, feels like 108 in McAllen, 109 Brownsville. That's the heat and humidity combined. Our low temperatures tonight will be no cooler than 78 to 80, a very warm and humid night across the area. Then tomorrow, look at these highs. These are not feels like temperatures. These are actual thermometer readings. About 103 in the Mid-Valley, 105 McAllen, 108 in Rio Grande City. Even Brownsville likely making it to 100 tomorrow. The beach a little cooler, but the humidity is a little higher there. Dew points at the coast have been running in the low 80s. Very, very humid. Take a look at the next 3 days. And the normal high is 94. The records are 102, 101, and 101. And we're talking highs of 103, 103, and 104. So we're likely to set records the next 3 days. Today, the hottest day we've seen in a long time, and the next few look even warmer than today. Here's a look at your First 105 Doppler network. It's quiet over the valley right now, but push it back a little bit. Some pretty good thunderstorms right around Laredo right now. Some more stuff back over Mexico, and then up around Corpus Christi. We've got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect just northwest of Corpus Christi. Let's go to the north and follow this line of storms. This one just went through San Antonio. Look at that. And now southeast of San Antonio, they are under a severe thunderstorm warning. We follow I-10, and just south of I-10, there's Gonzales. There you see where Highway 77, just to the west of Houston. Powerful thunderstorms moving south and eastward. That's probably going to miss the Houston area, but I tell you what, it is messy out there tonight. Again, everything just south of I-10. Now, all the dark yellow, those are all warnings. The lighter yellow, that's a watch that comes down and includes the counties just north of the valley. Satellite radar shows how quickly this stuff has flared up this afternoon. And you see the line continues all the way down into Mexico. So we're going to watch to see if part of that line can hold together and give us that slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm later on this evening into tonight. Again, it's probably less than 20% probability. The issue is if we do get a thunderstorm, it would probably be severe. So we have to watch this very carefully. Probably not going to happen, but there's a slight chance it could, so we'll watch. Tomorrow, cool front settles down to the middle of Texas, gets close Saturday, but it dies. It's not going to cool off. Instead, it's going to get hotter and hotter. Talk more about that in the next half hour. But by the time we get to Sunday, then there's a front on the map. That front may actually sneak down into deep South Texas and get close enough to the valley to trigger some showers for the middle part of next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, at least a shot at some showers and thunderstorms, and that will bring temperatures back down closer to normal. Here's a close-up on future track. You saw that one quick shower come through about 8 o'clock, and then after that, relatively quiet. We've got a couple of models that hint that a thunderstorm could happen, but for the most part, it looks like a dry night across the area. Dry tomorrow, dry on Saturday as well. Your rain chances stay close to zero after we get through tonight, so we'll watch that tonight. Then we're dry, dry, dry after that. So here it is, your First 105 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. 78 for a low. Partly cloudy skies and isolated thunderstorms a possibility. Southeast to south winds about 5 to 10. Then for tomorrow, hot and humid. Heat index readings will be 107 to 113. The actual temperature, an average of 103 tomorrow. 103? It's only middle of June, early June. 103 again on Saturday, 104 on Sunday. That's probably the end of it. I think Monday we start to come back down. 100 degrees. Could be an isolated shower Monday. Best chance Tuesday into Wednesday. Even a spotty shower possible Thursday. Look how that brings temperatures down a little bit for the middle part of next week. That's your updated First 105 forecast. Now let's go up north to see if it's hot in central Texas as it is here. Joel Villanueva joins us from the big baseball game tonight. Joel.